School 2012.
Okay, palakpakan po natin yung mga candidates natin. Okay, so for short information about today's costume of our candidates, we have the cosplay costume, which is short for costume party. It's a type of performance art in which participants don costumes and accessories to represent a specific character or idea. Characters are often drawn from popular fiction in Japan, but recent trends have included American cartoons and science fiction. Favorite sources include manga, anime, comic books, graphic novels, video games, hentai, and fantasy movies. While the intermediate students are wearing their aloha or luau costume. And for the criteria for judging for the creative costume, Sir Marky?
Excuse me po, tabi
For
po
today's
tayo.
pageant,
Tabi po
we
tayo.
have
Hindi po
different
nakikita ng mga
categories
judges.
awards. For the mechanics of each categories, we have the criteria for judging. For our creative costume, first, candidates in the primary should wear a cosplay costume. They may choose any character they would like to represent. Second, candidates in the intermediate school wear aloha or Hawaiian costume. Third, candidates in the secondary should wear a creative costume representing any of the following elements: earth, wind, fire, water. Candidates will be scored from 1 to 10 points, 10 being the highest and 1 the lowest. Creative costume is 10% of the total score in the selection of the final 5.
Okay, that is our criteria for judging for our creative and cosplay costume. Thank you, candidates.
Thank you very much, candidates.
Okay. Ayan, napakaganda ng mga costumes nila. Talagang pinaghandaan. And we would like also to welcome our supportive parents. Supportive parents yan. Umaga pa lang nandito na sila. Palakpakan po natin yung mga parents natin and family members ng mga candidates. Governor Rafael L. Levy Integrated School and our beloved principal, Mr. Randall C. Cabrera. Okay, so yung mga candidates natin magbibihis for their casual wear. And while waiting, we would like to acknowledge our sponsor for today. So we have, of course, SM Supermall, SM City Clark, Pampanga. And Island Tailoring for the seats in of our black candidates.
Ano sa abet? Tabi daw, nakakaharang daw ako.
Okay. So, we would like to read the criteria for judging on the casual wear.
Judges na dyan, ako. Kung sa tabi ng judges yung isa, pipicture ako eh, pakalam nila.
Ayan. Di naman kami kakaka, di ba? Ito lang kami.
For the casual wear or style jeans, first, candidates will wear style design jeans and any white top dress. Second, candidates are free to use any materials to style their jeans. Third, they are allowed to use gadgets and other props to enhance the outfit. Fourth, candidates will be scored from 1 to 10 points, 10 being the highest and 1 the lowest. And 5, casual wear is 10%